Introducing FJ Manning Motor Repairs, a long-running and successful leasehold mechanical workshop, Stafford, Queensland. What you're buying here is not just a successful business, but a long-running local icon with an outstanding reputation. Established in 1968, this family business has been run by the current owner for 30 years and his father before that. Offering vehicle servicing and repairs in and around Stafford, this is one of the longest running workshops in Queensland. Offering an excellent location on a busy road with ample on-site parking, the business currently operates Monday to Friday. The workshop offers a range of services including mechanical and general repairs, logbook servicing, brakes and clutches. The business has a strong client base ranging from 18 to 80-year-olds, mostly private customers plus a couple of companies. Walk straight in and start working, as the sale includes 2 hoists, all stock, scanners, tools, drum and disc lathe and more. Ready to retire? The current owner is happy to stay on through the handover stage and introduce you to your customers. An excellent business for an A-grade mechanic. This is the perfect option for breaking out on your own with confidence. With a great location, an established customer base, and a fair price, this one is too good to miss, so inquire now.